Hello guys, today I'm getting another tutorial of how to disable keyboard sound and turn on keyboard sound. For example, if you go to YouTube right here, look, there's even no sound on it. Well, go to settings on the keyboard, and then you're gonna go to preferences, and then turn on sound on key press. It's gonna turn on this option here, volume with key press. Nothing really scroll. I just want to hit default, so but if you go back, still no sound, but, hold on guys, sound on key press. I'm gonna go back to YouTube. There's no sound, guys, hold on. If I hit it to 64, and then hit on YouTube, sound is not coming up, so this is so weird. Okay, so if I put it on 100, it's gonna say no sound. It's gonna say no sound. Still no sound. I need to turn it down because it might be a loud sound. It might bleed my ears like this. And yeah. If I go to YouTube again, there will be no sound. Watch. Still no sound. Yes, this is so weird. There's no. This is. Okay. One more time. Still no sound, so that's a short tutorial of how to do the tutorial on the Lenovo tab. If you had any questions, tell me in the comments because I might. Okay, yeah. So I think that's all. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. And also comment what you think of the sound. So bye.